Now, in this question, there are two ships sailing in the sea, one behind the other. A person is watching those two ships from the top of a lighthouse. So this is the horizontal line of sight. So the angle of depression of the first ship is found to be 30 degree. Since this angle is 30 degree, we have this angle to be 30 degree. Then the second ship is found to have angle of depression of 45 degree. So then we have this angle to be 45 degree. The height of the lighthouse is 75 meter. They are asking us to find the distance between the two ships. So from the total distance of the second ship from the foot of the lighthouse, if you can subtract the distance of the first ship, then the remaining distance is going to give you the distance between the two ships. For that, first we will take the first triangle. In triangle ABC, now we are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we are going to take tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Angle is 45 degree. So we have tan 45 degree equal to opposite side, which is nothing but AB, by adjacent side, that is BC. Tan 45 degree value is 1. So we have 1 equal to AB, that is 75, by BC, that is D1. Now when you take this D1 to that side, you will have D1 equal to 75. Now we have found the distance of the first ship from the base of the lighthouse. Now we will find the total distance. Taking the bigger triangle, in triangle ABD, again we are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we are going to have tan theta. Now the angle is 30 degree. So we are going to have tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side, that is AB, by adjacent side, that is BD. Substituting the values, we have 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 equal to AB value, that is 75, by BD, which is capital D. Now taking this D to that side, you will have capital D equal to 75 root 3 meter. Now we have found the distance of the second ship from the base of the lighthouse. Already we have found the distance of the first ship from the base of the lighthouse. Now the distance between the ships is given by equal to total distance minus this distance, that is D1. That is going to be, we have found what is D, substitute the values. We are going to have 75 root 3 minus 75. Now you can see that 75 is common. Pulling out that 75 commonly outside, we will have 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So this is the distance between the two ships. The distance between the two ships is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter.